It can hold your chargers or your toothbrushes when you're traveling. I made one for my nephew and I filled it with his favorite gift cards for his birthday. And it rolls up for easy storage in your suitcase or your going away bag. We're starting with our Bruins fabric and we are cutting a pocket. We're going 6 inches across and then we're going to fold them under. So across the tops of each of my pockets. All right, my Celtics fabric is my true pocket. I'm going to line it up with the Red Sox fabric and I'm going to bend that bottom up, and then later when the pockets go on the background, we're going to sew down and across and back up again. Time to make the strap, and again, you can do this before or you can attach them on after. We are just going to take a 4 or 6 piece strip. We're going to fold it in half, right sides together, and then sew across. Then we flip it. Pick this dark blue. It's like neutral, but it pulls out the colors from the Red Sox and the Patriots. It's at this point where you want to put your straps inside your fabric. Let them hang out a little on the side and include that in your sewing so that your straps are sewn in. And we are going to sew all the way around this fabric and leave a little hole so we can flip it inside out. We're going to use a straight stitch on this little hole, and I sped it up because I do have a slower tutorial in my how to make a pillow video if you want to check that out. Lay out your pockets, pin them in place, and we are ready to sew. We are sewing down each pocket across the bottom and up the second side. And I'm just going to fold my project so it fits in my machine very nicely. I folded my raw edge under so that it would not fray, and I secured it to the side of my roll-up. With the outer edge, I am just going to fold this piece into a triangle and sew it. Small video games, charging cords, external hard drives. Now everything is all together in one spot when you travel. When we travel, my family is able to get all of our chargers in this one place so we know exactly where they are and we don't have to say, who took my charger out of my bag? Thank you for being here. I'm the Constant Crafter, and I hope that you come back for some more creative content.